It's yeah, I've seen it around. I saw you in Louisville and Columbus. Yeah, what a great.
By honoring our defenders, veterans, first responders, and families who sacrificed. Feel inspired today. Help support us at the Garrison East Foundation. We are so grateful to the Triple Crown of Ronning for naming us as the best. Never do enough to show our gratitude to our defenders. We can always do a little more. So
2:30 between turns 1 and 2.
enjoy the Speedway and have safe travels back home. God bless you all.
Lock it in place, and the axis shift puts your shifter lever exactly where you want it. Precision machined in America. At Low Cars, we drive innovation by designing parts that work with you, not against you. You shouldn't have to modify your car to fit the
No matter what you need, we have thousands of professional parts people doing their part to make sure you have it. Parts people.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the 2025 Triple Crown of Riding event. We are so America, the ability to come together and enjoy all things cool, which is American Legion Color Guard Post 82 and our national anthem as performed by U.S. Marine Corps Sergeant Josh. Well, it's fantastic. concern, like if they walk up to a manufacturer, he's notorious for having a lot of different things on display.
Yeah, I mean, he's gone to the top 30, the top 10 trophies.
So CPP is one of these companies that does a lot of different things. This, I can't think of a better place to come and meet your customers face to face.
Yeah,
If only yours could be this cool.
Cool. Well,
the engines that drive the power line, suspension, fuel system delivery, you can get you come by the booth and you should tour, we have some iPads out there, you can go through it.
you probably saw this at Good Guys here.
Did you bring it down to Nashville?
I was gonna say, it looks like cars I've seen growing up.
Yeah, I mean, heavy rigs, big and littles, and
Yeah, they're in Bada, Ohio. Man, it's still northeast Ohio.
Got still a catalytic converter, look at it.
that's probably your favorite car. This one rides good, but it's independent.
And that makes sense. I mean, I know Danny, he's a hell of a fabricator.
And there's gotta be a reason that you're speaking to me. And there's gotta be a reason that you're looking at me. I wish it wasn't in my nature, but I've got needs. I wish I liked another flavor, but when you're cool, you know I can't resist. I knew you was a pro.